I also know that you have, in addition to all the studies that you've done in multiple jurisdictions, you also now undergo additional course, masters. You made the decision quite recently, and in this regard, I have a quite general question, because all the solicitors, we have this duty to continue our education, which is actually linked to the nature of law, which is changing constantly, especially in the common law jurisdictions, can be new decisions and things like that. So your recommendations for younger lawyers, how to comply with that requirement, and what you think is important in this light?
I think it's generally important to keep up to date anyway, because you need to be able to advise your clients on the latest law. So you always need to make sure that you know when new law comes into effect. You need to know the latest case law. And obviously one way is simply to look at the related websites, government websites, court websites, to know what's the latest. Obviously, there are other possibilities. You can take additional courses depending on your role. There are paralegal courses by SYNOPSIS who are giving you the latest information. There are other courses you can take. I'm now starting to study at the University of Oxford to get more information about, well, really what's the latest in IP. So yeah, it's there are several options. A lot of law firms will actually have internal education sessions as well, which I think is quite important. In my firm, for example, we have every Tuesday we have 1 hour of educational sessions to be sure that everybody is up to date.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.